I think the President was very clear last Monday that all government officials, top to bottom, need to focus on the people. Kailangan sa tao na tayo nakafocus, tama na ang politika, tama na ang gulo. Kailangan magtrabaho tayo para sa mga kababayan natin. Yun ang sinabi ng ating Pangulo noong Lunes. At itong ginawa ng Pangulo ngayon ay napakalakas at napakatibay na mensahe sa lahat ng mga kawani at opisyal ng gobyerno na kailangan sumunod tayo sa direktiba ng Pangulo. Ang focus natin dapat ay magtrabaho para sa ating mga kababayan. At itong paghihingi ng courtesy resignation ay isang napakalakas na simbolo na the government of President Bongbong Marcos means business. No, hindi po ito pakita lang. No. I think unprecedented ito. I cannot remember, I don't know. I've been in government for more than 2 decades. I cannot remember a time where a directive like this that sweeps across the entire government has ever been done by a sitting president. I think it's really a testament to the president's will, to the president's strength as a leader, and as his people who he has handpicked to help him, we are duty-bound to follow that lead. No? And I will submit my courtesy resignation. In fact, I will sign it right after this, and I will send it right after this